Show the what is true positives. Hmm. Who is yes, yes. You and me, eh? Others false positive. Hmm. Help करो ना करो. Hmm. Come on. ఎవరు చెప్తారు? లావణ్య చెప్తారు. మానస ఎందుకు ఏం పడుకున్నదా? హెల్త్ బాగాలేదా? చెప్పు నువ్వు చెప్పు. బతావ్ ఫాల్స్ పాజిటివ్ బతావ్. He will, she will tell. Who will know, who will yes? Very good. True positive rate formula. True positive rate. Out of total positives, how many model is predicting? Matching with the model. That is called TPR. TPR is sensitivity or specificity. How? Sensitive related to positive word, that's a TPR. Huh? Pareva. Chalo. Next. Put adding precision. 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 Before going 3 by 3, confusion matrix can be classification by multi-classification also. Not only binary classification. Suppose there are 3 zones are there. One is red zone, yellow zone and green zone. Bharti. Gandhi Jayanti రోజు వచ్చావా Bharti? You both are same hostel, huh? No? But you both are come at a time only always. And then whenever Bharti will not come, you also not come. Sometimes, huh? Means you are messaging each other, no? Are you going now today? When one person is killing another person. Interest. Suppose, can you draw the multi-classification 3 by 3 quickly? 3 by 3. So this side is the red zone, actual and predicted. Red zone, green zone, yellow zone, red zone, green zone, yellow zone. How can you write mention the TPFPs here? That is the tricky point. Think and do it. Do it. Think and do it. First one is true positive. Huh? If there is no positive, na, there is no red, na. There is no SS, na. There is red, green, yellow. How can you say that is? Are you getting what I am saying? If your S is there, if it is S is there, you can say it is yes or no. It is yes or no. Then TP. Okay, TP. True positives. Here true negatives. But ऐसे कैसे लिखता है इधर? T red ah? T green huh? T yellow na? Tell me. Oh, show me whatever you read. Show me that beautiful way of representation. Right? You can write anything, but the user should understand these both are matching. These are not matching. Suppose the user should understand is predicting green. Actually green. The predicting what? Red. User should understand actually what? Yes, but predicting what? Red. So provides the notations. No? Provide the notation TYR, TRY, like that. Provide the notations. Show me that. Do it, online people. Getting what I'm saying? Then yesterday we discussed on something. What we discuss? Morning, 10:30. But you can continue here for next algorithm onwards, no? Next algorithm onwards, you can continue both. No? Just tell me the notation, that's all. How can you represent? अरे कौन है? कब आ रहे थे? आज ही आया. Long time. ఇంటికి పోయినావా? अच्छा. How is your health now? Good. Where you went? Where is your home? Odisha. Shivendu. Both are same place, huh? Friend? अरे वाह. So which place? Brahmpur. Hmm. Odisha people only got affected dengue or what? That is. Ah, really? In the morning we actually saw Odisha people only went home. That is. No, they have they're almost their immune system is good only. But somehow no, they are staying together, no? One person affected, other person will affected. Ah, where what is the different? That hot, na? Hot that is. Best weather in India, where it is? Bangalore is cool, no? Some people not like cool. Ranchi. There's no best, na? Actually, habitation. Uh, there's no best. I like Bangalore weather. When I joined in the Chennai, na? That is only. I just run to the company. Just it's full running only because so much sweat is coming. I want AC, 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 AC. So running, running, running. Bus, if you're down, na, then you will run only. Run to the office. Then I pray to the God. No, I don't want Chennai. Then he shifted to Bangalore within 1 week. Bangalore, I like the weather. Bangalore weather. General, I like cool weather only. Adana. So we representation like this. TP red, TP green, TP yellow, TP red, TP green, TP yellow. So this how can you represent 20? That only. Notations is up to us only. This notations always plays very, very important role. In deep learning also, we have so many notations will be available. Whenever you write any notation, in the documentation will clearly write what is this meaning here. Here I am writing T, G, so for T suffix, G suffix R, then you need to say to the client, this is represent what? Actual one, this represent what? Predicted. So actually what is there? Green, but predicted what? Red. So it is different from your TP and TN criteria. Suppose a guy is writing like this. T, G, Y. What is T, G, Y matlab? Actually what? Actually green. Predicted what? Yellow. Suppose a guy is writing T, Y, and what is this here? Y and here also green, huh? YG. What is that meaning? Actually, what is there? Yellow, but predicted was G. Like that, you need to write. Notation is up to you. Notation is up to you. How can you write it? But again, here total answer means what? Here accuracy, how can you calculate the accuracy? You are writing TP, here you are writing TN. So TP plus TN you are writing, na? So here also accuracy always what happen? Accuracy always a matrix. Which matrix? The diagonal matrix, no? The diagonal also called what? In the mathematics. Trace. Do you remember? Trace. The trace of matrix is always gives what? Accuracy. So note down this. Note down that. TVNR red, and like this. Actually, COVID zones red, green, yellow. Actual COVID zones red, green, yellow. Today Batkama, na? Are you going to play Batkama? Girls? Huh? Not going, huh? Bharti? Ayyo. In front of hostel, you will not play? లావణ్య మీ హాస్టల్ ఆర్డరా అసలు ఇప్పుడు హాస్టల్లో ఉంటాయి కదా ఇంటి దగ్గర నేను అచ్చా యూ నో బతుకమ్మ మీన్స్ షో ఎందు యూట్యూబ్ కరో నాట్ నౌ ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ నౌ డేస్ బాయ్స్ ఓన్లీ ప్లేయింగ్ బతుకమ్మ నాట్ గర్ల్స్ కదా కుమార్ అదే కదా మొన్న చూసా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ విలేజ్లో దే ఆర్ నో పుట్టింగ్ గర్ల్స్ ఎట్ సైడ్ దే ఓన్లీ ప్లేయింగ్ బతుకమ్మ యూ కెన్ గో టు ద ట్యాంక్ బండ్ నో టుడే వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ go and see how they will play బతుకమ్మ the time government will celebrate no? Today I think so. The festival like 9 days festival, like on Vinayak festival, like Durga Mata festival. 9 days. చూసావా మరి వీడియో పెట్టలే నాకు డాన్స్ వీడియో డాన్స్ చేయలే యూ కెన్ షేర్ యువర్ వీడియోస్ యువర్ ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ వీడియోస్ ఐ విల్ ఆల్సో సీ హౌ యు ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్ సో టీపీ రెడ్ out of actual red cases how many model is predicting red TPR green out of actual green cases how many model is predicting green TPR yellow out of actual yellow cases how many model is predicting yellow so total TPR true positive rate you need to take the average ma TPR red plus TPR green plus TPR yellow for multi classification now TNR out of actual not red cases how many model is predicting not red out of actual not green cases how many model is predicting not green out of actual not yellow cases so TNR average easy huh Chalo. Next. Suppose for example, just note down this. Example, just note down this. TP red, TP green, TP yellow, TP red, TP green, TP yellow. Some random values, ma. 10, 20, 50, 20, 30, 40, 70, 100 and 120. Some random values. The total TPR is equal now kitna? 10 plus 30 plus 120 by 3. That's called total TPR. Total TNR means opposite one now. Total TNR means opposite, which are not matching. Which are not matching. That is called 70 and plus 60 plus 170. That is the not matching. So what is the 20 meaning here? Tell me. What is the 20 meaning? What is that meaning? Actually, what is there? Red. But multiplicating what? Actually, how many red are there? 80. How many red are there? 80. In that out of 80, how many multiplicating green? 20. How many multiplicating what? 50. Like that you need to explain the client with this. Here again suppose. Here what is 90? Total green. Out of green only how many plating? 30. And how many out of 20 and 40? Easy, no? That is very, very easy. Now coming to the precision and recall. Precision and recall is a very, very important model, important methods. Pakka they will ask in interview questions. Before that, you need to draw the confusion matrix. Draw the confusion matrix first. So confusion matrix here again you need to remember which side you are keeping actual, which side you are keeping predicted, then the values will be changed. Correct? Suppose I am keeping here, this side is actual This side is yes, no. This side is predicted This side yes, no. Then you are saying what this is called TP and FP and FN and TN. Imagine that this is S equal to 1, no equal to what? 0. That is reversed. That is reversed. This become what happen? No. This become now no. And this become what happen? Yes. Then TP become what happen? TN. TN become what happen? TP. FN become what happen? It will be reversed, no? So in the textbooks, different people write different way. In Python we have no S only, not S no. No will be there, S will be there. In the Python, reverse hota. The Python, because Python is step by step, binary. First word will come 0. Next word will come alphabetical order kya? N. Alphabetical order kya? Y. That's why Python is different. That is a different. It is a different. Keep that in mind when we do with the Python. So here precision precision is very, very simple. Suppose model is talking with the user actual. Okay. Suppose imagine that P nothing but what? Predicted. Now predicted is talking with the actual. How is talking? My name is predictor, your name is actual. Okay. Hey actual, I predicted some positive cases. I predicted some positive cases. Okay. I am the model. I predicted some positive cases. In that exactly how many you are matching? In that exactly how many you are matching? So I am talking with you. I am talking with you. Who is I am? Predicted. Who is you? Actual. So predicted talking with actual. What is talking? I predicted some positive observation. What is the predicted positive observation? Tell me. TP plus FP, correct? TP plus FP. This box area related to whom? Y. किसका Y? Prediction का Y. Predicted का Y. Out of this TP and FP, how many are correctly matching with original? So the formula is equal to TP by divided by TP plus FP. That is the formula. Out of model prediction positive cases, how many are matching with the actual? Simple. Tell me, out of model predicted positive cases, how many matching with actual? That's all. Simple. Now recall is reverse. Recall is reverse. Now this time actually starting with the model. Hey, I have some yes cases. How many you can predict correctly? Means what is the formula? Tell me. This is precision ma. Now recall is actual will talk with the model. TP divided by TP plus. That's all. That is called recall. Both are different, right? Both are not same. Okay, I am talking with you. You are not talking with me. That both are not same. Okay, don't confuse that. That is different. This is different. Now note down that precision and recall. Recall is same as TPR. Correct, ma? Very good. Yeah. Precision equal to TP by TP plus FP. Out of total positives predicted by model, how many are matching with the actual positives? Out of total positives predicted by model, how many are matching with the actual positives? Now write the recall by your own. Write the recall by your own. Waiting or last? Waiting. Recall. Out of total positive cases, actual positive cases, how many exactly predicted by model? Out of total actual positive cases, out of total actual positives, how many exactly predicted by model? Tell me the precision recall again. Tell me, ma, what is the precision? Precision equal to? Is my voice is clear, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? Yes, right? Yeah. Yeah. Now tell me. Out of total positives predicted by model. Predicted by model. Then exactly matching with the actual. Recall is what? Out of total positives predicted by model. Huh? That is previous one. Na? Hey, batao. Recall. Out of actually positives. Huh? Very good. Very good. Very. Don't confuse. Don't confuse in interview. अब बताओ which is important, precision or recall? Both are पक्का. Both important. So numerator same. Numerator same. Denominator, how many letters are there? 2. In that again one is same. What is differ? Only FPs and FNs. So what is FP and FN? False positive, false. That also I know. Tell me this. What is that FP? Tell me one example. Actually, what is there? Actually negative, but multiplied what? Positive. Tell me one example. बोलो एग्जाम्पल बताओ फॉर एफपी के लिए एग्जाम्पल बताओ ऑपरेशन सक्सेस पेशेंट वेर आर गोइंग कृष्णा yesterday in the evening you are walking very fast friends only you are going only one person only I drop them and you are going boyfriend or girlfriend okay no friend only don't if interval confuse you will confuse going fast it's going very fast हाँ बोलो ओ गूगल का रिव्यू बताओ ना रे इजी ना गूगल का रिव्यूज बताओ गूगल का रिव्यूज है ना हाँ बोलो गूगल का रिव्यूज बताओ एक्चुअली actually road is there actually road is there but map is saying no road vice versa actually exam center is not there exam center is not there but model is saying but map is saying is there now wait tell me which one is in that case first one is what false negative false negative are first one pakka second one false if that I say this one na whatever first one is false positive what is false positive Suraj is seeing like this अरे क्या हुआ रे कुमार को like that he is saying बोलो कुमार how first one is false positive then false negative false positive false positive मतलब what Mutunja will explain to you explain करो Mutunja what is false positive what is false negative चलो look at the board now here recently we had a discussion with the client my client is saying that the precision is very low very low what is that meaning my client is saying that precision is very low as a data scientist how can you understand he's saying that my precision is very low Don't ask him that what is precision. He will remove you from company. You are a data scientist, na? You should understand, na? What is precision meaning now? Tell me. Suppose I am a client, I develop one model, I am saying that precision is very, very low. How can you understand that? Actual values are very low. Predicting out of actual is low. Predicting outcomes are very low. Tell full sentence, no? Like online people are saying, but you are not saying. Bolo, tell me full sentences. How can you understand? Precision is very, very low means your denominator is increasing. Huh? Denominator increasing or not? Who is increasing? FP is increasing. Who is FP? Don't say false positive. आगे बताओ. Who is FP? Actually what? No, but model predicting what? Yes. So model is predicting whatever the no cases. So I can understand like this. Okay, precision is very low means FP is increasing step by step. FP is increasing. FP is increasing, which means FP means what? Actually, I have some no cases are there, but my model is saying what? Yes. Actually, some no cases are there. My model is saying that yes. Actually, the no cases should be predicted as what? No. But most of the no cases model predicting what? Yes only. That's why my precision is what happened? Become very, very low. So like that he will talk. Because here my project name is called Tagore project. Tagore project. That is the use case is this. We need to identify a review. We need to identify a review which is spam, which is spam about phone number, or some website, suppose Shubhendu has written a review. Don't call this number. Don't call this number. Don't call this number. It is a spam. Okay. Now Shubhendu has written this mail. Suppose Ashish has written one more thing. Okay. This number is working fine. This number is working fine. In this, what is model main goal? Suppose this is the don't call this number, it is a spam. It is a spam number actually. So model also should say what actually? Spam only, na? Now here also, this statement is what? Not a spam, because Ashish is inquired about that this number is working. So your model also should say that what? Not a spam. But actually model is predicting what here? Here don't call this number it is a spam means model is saying that no, it is a spam. Your model is a bakwas model. It is saying that it is a spam. It is not a spam. It is not a spam. And here your model is bakwas model. It is saying what? It is a spam. Not it is spam. Not only which is false positive, which is false negative. Here. Before understanding false positive, you need to understand what is the yes here. Spam or not spam? Spam or not spam? That is your first question. What is the yes here, sir? So identifying the spam is yes. Identifying the spam is one. There are two cases are there. Spam versus not spam. Which is you are treating one, which is you are treating zero. Which is you are treating one, which is you are treating zero. That depends, na? You can't directly judge the answers. Suppose I am saying here zero, this I am saying one. Then your judgment will be reverse. So the goal is very, very important. The title is very, very important. Most of the time, we want to identify yes cases. Yes case is always a one only. So assume that spam equal to one here. Now tell me, first one is what? It is a spam or not originally? Originally it is what? Spam. But model is saying what? Not spam. But originally spam means originally what is there? One. Originally what is there? One. But model is saying what? Zero. That means originally yes is there. Model is saying what? No. It is what? Which case now? False? Negative. Correct? Huh? Now originally here what is there? That is working fine. It is spam or not spam? Not spam. But model is saying what? spam. That means 0 it is converted into what? 1. So it is which case? False positives. So you need to never directly jump to the solution. Think step by step. What is 1 here? What is 0 here? What is yes here? What is no here? Because in the textbook they will write yes or no only. But in the real time, spam, not spam, chen, not chen. Like that, many based on the use cases you need to identify. Na? So that's why you need to write very, very detailed. This is my yes case. This is my no case. And you know the basic yes to no, no to yes. Now here, my precision is very, very low means my answers are wrong on this case. What is this case? Even though the reviews are good, my model is not able to find. Na? Even though my reviews are good, the number is working fine. He is telling that. But my model is saying that. It's a wrong. It is a wrong. So these cases are what happen? Increasing. So like that I need to understand because I am a data scientist. We train, na? So that way you need to understand about that. Pakka he will talk about the precision and recall. Always remember that. Suppose, look at the board. Imagine that our terrorist problem is there. Our terrorist problem. Do you remember terrorist problem, Kumar? Now, here our main goal is what? Identifying a terrorist. Yes cases we need to identify. But even though he is a terrorist, our model is saying what? No. So which case here increasing here? False negative or false positive? False negative case is increasing. So who is affecting here in this case? Who is affecting? Precision or recall? Precision or recall? Recall. What is the recall formula? TP by TP plus Fn. See, it is a kind of this kind of questions. I will show one image, 10 seconds. I will close the image. Then I will ask the question whether the guy is wear the watch or not. This kind of questions always will come. Whenever you are comparing the two metrics, two things, anywhere, the confusion will occur. So now that is your talent, your shortcuts, how to remember that. Now TP by TP plus FP. You might be, you know the formula. TP by TP plus Fn, you know the formula. But confusion arises, which is precision, which is recall. Confusion arises. So immediately what you have to do? A confusion matrix should come your mind first. Confusion matrix come to your mind. Then omkars are told that model is talking to the actual. Model means vertically. Vertical means what? Precision related. Horizontal means what? Recall related. Like the tricks you need to remember. Otherwise in the interview, you will might not be recall immediately. That is always the tricks are very, very important. So in this case, now like Vishal is saying that both are very, very important. TP by TP plus FP, TP by TP plus Fn. Here Fn is my case, my main case here. Actually my main motto is what? There is a terrorist is there. My model should understand as what? He is a terrorist. But unfortunately my model is saying what? No. So which is affecting more? Recall. In this particular case, who is affecting? Recall. Suppose there is a cancer patient is there. He has a cancer. But model is saying what? No cancer. Again, there also who is affecting? Recall only. Now suppose imagine that there's Ambani entered your mall. Ambani is not a terrorist, but your model is saying he is a terrorist. Now who is affect? Precision. That only. So Ambani also important guy also. Then entire share market will down on that day. How to tackle? That's why both are very, very important. So in order to avoid the confusion, we'll go to the F1 score. We'll go to the F1 score. Getting online people. So interior pakka will play with these two. So you need to you need to discuss with your friends first. What is precision? What is recall? Instead of talking about the Instagram reels or YouTube or shortcut Twitter, talking about the precision and recall today. Okay, how precision is affecting, how recall is affecting. Tell me one FP case immediately. Tell me one FN case immediately. What is this? What is that? Explain among each other. So that will be the good discussion always. So immediately The idea should come. Immediately, the example should come from your mouth. Whenever I am asking that, tell me FP example means, immediately you need to say without no confusion. So like that you need to be perfect because you know the concept now end to end. What is and everything. Now only the thing is the discussion is very very important on this. Otherwise Pakka will play kabaddi with you. And remember that. Precision and recall. Now put setting F1 score. Clear my online people say yes, yes, yes. So F1 score formula 2 into precision recall by precision plus recall. Two into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Technology is changing a lot more, so you need to be study a lot. Okay, you are in the right technology. Okay, at least 10 to 15 years, the AI is rule the entire world. Every 5 years, 10 years, the new will come only. We will learn only. But in order to survive, only talented people only will be survive in the future. That is. So talent by birth will not get any talent, na? By birth, everyone is same only. The talent will come when you learn how you are learn. How you are learn, that is only the talent will be depends. If suppose if I am not learning anything from past 10 years, even though 10 years back I am a good talented guy, the same will be not replicate now. Na? The 10 years back you are not a good, talented guy, but 10 years you work very hard. Now you become what happened now? A talented guy. Because the concepts are only limited only, always. There are no infinite concepts. The concepts are always only limited. Like yesterday, that is some WhatsApp message I received from robotic is doing some all farmer work. That is the WhatsApp it is came. Then I forward to show it to you. This doing everything now. Okay. Now China only. China piece only. Hmm. But in the future, they will arrange some dress, some cap, some everything. They will change. It look like skeleton, no, no. Imagine that the dress is there on top of that body. Imagine that cap is there, like that. Okay? Hmm. That only, man. Trust me, in next few years, the marriage will not happen, not only boy and girl. Okay. Trust me. Okay. Next few years. That is. So, technology is improving a rapid only. Rapid thing. New batch. New batch will start after Dasara, okay? New batch will start after Dasara. Let's see. If 1 week before only you will get to know. So technology changing a lot, ma. Okay. So sometimes we can't imagine also how technology will turn. But IT industry never affect. The only the industry, technology industry is IT industry only, na. So technology is just now started. Only 1990s computers are emerged. And 2000 now after 90 years, 30 years now AI is implemented. Next 30 years, one big boom will come. We can't imagine. In 1990s, people should not imagine that computers will come. Computers आ गया 1990. After 30 years, AI आ गया. Next 30 years, somewhere will come, something will come. So technology is unlimited technology. So that's why you need to learn in that such a way fashion. Technology only the food for us in the future. That is because now this pharma and everything replaced with what robotics. Even office boy also replaced with robotics. Teachers also replaced with what robotics. Like that. Everyone replaced with robotics. So what is our job? How to handle them? How to handle them? But not happen immediately. But life में settle हो जाए ना. So this is the right future. So 2 into precision into recall, precision recall. When you listen about this, what you recall? What you are recalling? 2 into AB by A plus B. 2 into AB by A plus B. When you listen this equation, what you will recall? F1. 10th class mathematics, batao. Not Ray. This equation, harmonic mean. It's what is called. We have three means will be there. One is arithmetic mean, one is geometric mean, one is harmonic mean. Do you know? Arithmetic mean means what? A plus B by 2, average. Geometric means what? Root over AB. And this is what? 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. Reverse ma. A reverse karo. A reverse karo. A and B also reverse karo. Write it harmonic mean, write it. 2 by, write it harmonic mean. 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is called harmonic mean. Average nothing but A plus B by 2. Average is equal to A plus B by 2. So harmonic mean, arithmetic mean. That is. Now important interview question is why we are not choosing the average? Why we are choosing only HM? Generally two values are there immediately. What's come in your mind? Average only, na? But here we are not preferring the average. We are preferring the average ka cousin. Who is average ka cousin? HM. Harmonic mean. Why we are taking this? That is the important interview question they will ask you. First one is why we are going for F1 score. If you are going to F1 score, why you are taking the harmonic mean instead of arithmetic mean? Instead of arithmetic mean. For that, we need to do some drill. A is equal to 0.7, B is equal to 0.8. Le lo. A is equal to 0.7, B is equal to 0.8. Getting them online people. A is equal to 0.7, B is equal to 0.8. Now calculate HM and AM. Tell me the answer. A is equal to 0.7 ma. B is equal to 0.8 ma. Same huh? Okay, we'll do like this. Precision equal to 0.7. Recall is equal to 0.8. Now again, precision is equal to 0.2. Recall is equal to 0.8. Now precision is equal to 0.9. Recall is equal to 0.1. Calculate all three now. What is the HM? HM and AM. First one you already calculated. Next two also you calculate it quickly. First one 0.7, 74. Okay. Next 0. Next 0.32. 0.5. Next 0.5. Now let me. These two are balanced or not balanced? Almost. These two are. These two are. This is a balanced situation. This is a not balanced situation. This is a not balanced situation. But when compared to HM and AM, you see this comes 0.32, this is 0.5 is coming. This 0.18 is coming, 0.5 is coming. This is taking the always average. But whenever you see 0.18, the harmonic mean is less is coming means immediately you can get a trigger point. One is higher, one is lower. Getting what I am saying? Harmonic mean low means pakka one value will up, one value will down. Then only harmonic mean will be reduced. That's why in order to avoid that confusion, that's why people will choose what? HM. The HM will give that whether the imbalance is there or not between the precision and recall. That will be you can't get from AM. You can get only from HM. Very, very important interview question. The imbalance. The case one is a balanced equation, balanced. Case 2 is imbalance. Case 3 is imbalance. Imbalance with respect to what, ma? Imbalance of precision and recall. And imbalance of precision and recall. Balanced of what? Precision and recall. Precision and recall. When you take the both combination, only HM will be tell that there is a balancing. Imbalance is there. Whenever precision and recall are imbalanced, HM value will be very, very low. HM will be very low. That's why we'll use HM, not AM. Pakka interview question ma very, very important in the toughest companies like big 4, big 5 companies, not in the normal companies, service-based companies. Easy? Online students, okay, Namma? Online students, don't sleep, Ray. Next, put side heading ROCAC curve, last one. I already provided here everything. ROCAC curve. ROC means receiver operative characteristics. Put side heading ROCAUC. Receiver operative characteristics. AUC means area under the curve. It's a curve between graph between sensitivity and 1 minus specificity. Sensitivity, you already know, TPR. TPR nothing but what? Precision or recall? TPR. TPR. Precision or recall? Recall. How? T by P na? Recall. Surendra Reddy, recall ma. TP by P na? P means actual P na? Actual means horizontal na? Horizontal means what? Recall. Horizontal recall. TP by P. T P by P. P nothing but what? Horizontal. So sensitivity nothing but what? Recall. So many names, not TPR, sensitivity, recall. Say it again. TPR, sensitivity, recall. I think you can remember like this. TPR nothing but immediately what? Sensitivity. Sensitivity nothing but what? Recall. TPR means what? P nothing but what? Positive term. वो थोड़ा सेंसिटिव होता तो वी हैव मोर कंसंट्रेशन मोर कंसंट्रेशन मतलब व्हाट P TPR suppose your kid is there your kid is so much sensitive he hurt you said something then what will say उसको कॉल करो ना हाँ देन रिकॉल करो हाँ अच्छा हो ना सेंसिटिविटी बॉय सेंसिटिविटी गर्ल्स को कॉल करो बात करो उसको सो सेंसिटिव नथिंग बट व्हाट रिकॉल सेंसिटिव नथिंग बट व्हाट रिकॉल TPR अच्छा स्टोरी टेलिंग है गुड गुड TPR versus FPR 1 minus specificity specificity कौन है TNR TNR nothing but what is the formula TN by N so 1 minus TN by N चलो ढूंढ लो now write it like this first to write the TNR okay TNR is equal to TN by N correct who is N tell me Tn divided by Fp plus Tn, correct? Now what we are doing? 1 minus specificity. 1 minus TNR we are doing. What we are doing? 1 minus TNR, which is equal to 1 minus Tn divided by Fp plus Tn. Final answer कितना आता? बोलो final answer. FP by N only, na? FP by N. That is called what? False positive rate. False positive rate. Rate means always a denominator, na? False positive rate nothing but what? FP by N. Karo derivation karo quickly. TNR equal to Tn by N. After this class, you need to go to the lab. You need to write all the metrics. And then only you need to go to for Batkama festival. Okay, na Bharti? హాస్టల్ ఐ లవ్ హాస్టల్ ఏముంటుంది మా హాస్టల్లో ఎవరుంటారంటే రూమ్ ఎంటీయా ఒకదానే ఉంటావా ఎవరుంటారా ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు రూమ్లో 5 మెంబర్స్ 6 మెంబర్సా మీతో అందరు ఎంప్లాయీసా ఐటీ కంపెనీ లేకపోతే నార్మల్ ఇక్కడ లోకల్ నాన్ ఐటీ టిఎన్ బై ఎన్ టిఎన్ బై ఎఫ్పి ప్లస్ టిఎన్ సో క్లియర్ అమ్మా చలో రైట్ ఇట్ సో గ్రాఫ్ బిట్వీన్ TPR and false positive rate TPR is equal to what I am writing ma TP by T and FPR nothing but what ma FP divided by N. So easy, we are good. FPR is equal to x-axis ray. FPR is equal to what? X-axis. So specificity. 1 minus specificity is nothing but what? Which axis? X-axis. Y-axis nothing but sensitivity. కుమార్ వాట్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్? మనసంతా కాకినాడలో ఉంది. ఉమ్. అయ్యో, మరి ఎందుకు వచ్చినావు నాని? రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటే అయిపో కదా. కౌంట్ అందరితో ఉంటుంది, నీకు అందరితో ఉండడం ఇష్టం. ఇంటికి ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తాను మరి? షాపింగ్ అయిపోయిందా? టికెట్ బుక్ చేసినావా? భాగ్యనగర్ 3:30కు దొరుకుతాయి సీట్లు మరి? భాగ్యనగర్ లేట్ అయిద్దేమో, మార్నింగ్ ఉంటాయి కదా ట్రైన్లు, తెలంగాణ ఇంటర్సిటీ. క్లాస్ కూడా కావాలి కదా. కాకినాడ సిటీ ఇల్లు? మీ ఇల్లు అటు ముందటికి వెళ్ళాలనా, బలార్ష సైడా? మ్మ్. ఉంది. మ్మ్. కాకినాడలో ఎక్కువ భాషలు మాట్లాడతారు కదా. మరాఠీ, బెంగాలీ నీకు వస్తాయా? మదర్ మరాఠీ. ఆల్రౌండర్. అచ్చా, వెరీ గుడ్. శివేందు, చెప్పు, వాట్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్? एक्स एक्सिस क्या? FPR, वेरी गुड. FPR मतलब क्या? वन मोर नेम वी गिवन ना. वन माइनस नॉट स्पेसिफिक रे संदीप. वन माइनस स्पेसिफिसिटी. दिस इज व्हाट? सेंसिटिविटी. सेंसिटिविटी क्या? TPR. You need to concentrate on the TPS ma. Correct predictions. Correct predictions. Correct predictions అయితే use your common sense and tell me the line should go up, line should go down. Correct predictions means line should go up, line should go down. Jaya correct. Online people, Jaya answer your coughing. Can be that. Online students, up or down? They're thinking or what? Online students, online and online are offline కాదు. Online students, the curve should go what? Up. So here, the more up you will go, that is a more good model. Suppose this is a reference line. The 45 degrees line is the reference line. This is the one curve. And suppose another curve is coming like this. Another curve like coming like this. This is another curve. This is the one, and this is the two. Now, the more you up go, that is a good model. Suppose this is decision tree model. This is Navi Bayes model. And this is for your famous KNN model. Famous KNN. Which is the best model? KNN is the best model. Why? Because that is more up. The more up your area will what happen? Calculation area will what happen? More, na? Area under the curve also will be more. So that is the curve. Getting now? Chalo, draw the curves now. ROC AUC curve. Draw like this. If that is going slowly down, na, that is a bad. Low means bad, up means high. In interview, one they will ask like this, ma. In interview, what will be the ROC in the graph? ROC nothing but receiver operator characteristics, ma. The entire graph is called ROC only. The entire graph is called ROC only. The curve, the calculation area is nothing but under the curve. In the interview, they will ask like this, ma. Suppose this is the middle line, ma. This is the middle line. The reference line only. The reference line. Your curve should go up only always. Your curve should go always up only. Then that is only what, ma? Good model. He will ask you, this kind of curve is possible or not possible? Not possible, what is the justification? What is this curve name? FPR, na? FPR nothing but what? FP by N, na? Out of total N, you are saying what? FP. Means no cases you are predicting what? Yes only, na? All the no cases you are predicting what? Yes cases. No cases actually what you need to predict? No. No cases you need to predict what? No. But no cases you are predicting what? Yes cases. So then what happens? Who will increase here? Who will increase? FP is increasing. FP is increasing means what is that meaning? Recall or precision? Precision will increase. Precision will be decrease. Sorry. Precision will be decrease. And nothing but I can say this is recall versus precision curve only. That is the beauty of understanding. It's simply a precision versus recall. Precision versus recall. So you are concentrating on the recall TPs. That's why you are saying that curve should be what? High. So like that, discuss it. Discuss with your friends. You know end to end all the concepts. Now the only that thing is discussion is left. Now we'll do simple problem. Getting them online people. It is also called precision versus recall curve only. Now we'll do one problem now. Let's close with this the problem. PPTs. Kidhar hai PPTs? ML classification. How to calculate precision and recall with a pen and paper now we'll do. ले लो. Tuple class probabilities ले लो. That's all. 3. Tuple class probabilities. Only this you take it. Tuple class probabilities. Only take these 3, ma. Tuple class probability. Only these 3. All people. Tuple class probabilities. Tuple class probabilities. Tuple class probabilities. Done? फर्स्ट प्रेडिक्शन ले लो. Here, look at this. Now concentrate on TP and FP. First prediction लिखो. What is the final prediction? What is the final prediction? Next to calculate that is the TP or FP. That is the TP or FP. I will tell you one thing, then you will do remaining thing. Look at the board. The original class is what? P. The model greater than 0.5 aito, it is predicting yes. That is less than 0.5 aito, predicting no. What is this ma? I am writing here. The model probability greater than or equal to 0.5, then the answer is positive. The model is giving positive, otherwise it is giving what? Negative or no. Now originally what is there ma? Forget about P. Now just see the probabilities and write the answers. Greater than 0.5 or not? So what is the answer? P. Greater than 0.5 or not? P. Here what? P. Here what? P. Here what? P. Here. 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 P. Here. P. Here what? No. Assume that. Okay na? So this is model outputs. Now compare. Both are PP. TP or FP. So this is 1. This is 1. This is 1 hai to this is kitna? 0. Next, both are PP or not? Don't write 1. Already 1 you already seen. Na? Now how many TPs you are seeing? At this position, how many TPs we are seeing? Already we seen 1. Now this time 1. So what is the answer? 2. What is the answer? 2. Now what is this? 0. Now what is this? At this position, how many TPs are there? 2 only. At this position, at third position, how many TPs are there? Again I am repeating. You are counting 1, 1, 1, 1 like that. Don't count that 1 and zeros, okay? Imagine that you will calculate total error, na? You will calculate total error or not? Total error nothing but what? Summation or not? Like that. First here what is there? TP equal to 1. Here what is there? 0. Second here also what is there? TP only. But don't say 1. You will calculate error, na re? You will calculate total error or not? So what you need to calculate here? You need to say 2. You need to say what? 2. Here what is there? 0. Here what is there? But don't say 0 re, 2 ra. At this point of time, are you understand? At this point of time, how many TPs you are seeing totally? Starting onwards. At this point of time. So 2 only available. Now how many are available here? 1. Now here tell me. 3. Here tell me. 1. Now fill the table now. Fill the table. Getting up online people. At this point of time. This 4 and this is 1 and this is 4 only. This is 2. This is 4 only. This is 3 and this is 4 only. This is 4 and this is 5. This is 4. This is 5. This is 4. Correct? Huh? Easy only. Getting them online people. Till now clear, right? ना बताओ टोटल यानी कितना टोटल पीस कितना टोटल ओरिजिनल पी कितना 5 टोटल यानी कितना 5 now divide each and every value 0 by 5 0 by 5 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. करो माँ, do it fast. क्या रहा इतना लेट? लेट है, लेट है. ఇక్కడ 9కి లేకుంటే 9:15కి రావాలి. ఏ టైం అయిపోయింది? కాఫీ టైం అయిపోయిందా? కాఫీ అయిపోయిందా? Fill the table, write the points and draw the graph. 1 by 5 nothing but what? 0.2 na? Draw the graph. Fill the table, write the points and draw the graph. X comma y. First one is x, second one is what? Y. Now draw the graph where your curve is going, up or down. సోనాలి ఎలా ఉన్నావు? There's one mistake is there here. You are doing correct only. Last 3, 4, 4, 4. No, this is a mistake. This should be 4, na last one. The mistake is there. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.8, 1 will come. This will come 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.4. Graph my x-axis, y-axis. This you calculate these points. TPR, FPR. Tell me the points. Bharati, tell me the points. 3 by 5, huh? Next year, 4 by 5, huh? 4 by 5, no? 4 by 5. Here also, 4 by 5. TP batao. 1 by 5. Here, 2 by 5. Here, 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 5 by 5, huh? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Next. 5 by 5. 5 by 5. What are the points? Tell me. 0, 0, 0.2. लिखो ना 0, 0, 0, 0.2. You can go any batch ma. Ask this how ROCAC curve will do. No one will say except omkar sir students. And this you can't find anywhere also. You can just Google it. You can just go Medium articles or anywhere. That is. So try to learn that. 0.4. So next what? 0.2, 0.4. Next what? 0.2, 0.6. Next what? 0.2 comma 0.8. Next what? 0.4, 4 comma 0.8. Next what? 0.6 comma 0.8. Next what? 0.8 comma 0.8. So next what? 0.8 comma 1. Next what? 0.8 comma 1. Now draw the graph. So x-axis, y-axis. Zero to 1, 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4, 0.6, 0.6 and 0.8, 0.8 and 1. And 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. First point क्या है Ayman? 0 comma 0.2 is the first point. Second point what? 0 to 0.4. Second point. Third point 0.2, 0.4. Third point. Fourth point 0.2, 0.6. 0.2, 0.8. 0.4 to 0.8. 0.6 to 0.8. 0.8 to 0.8. 0.8 to 1. The curve is going like this. The curve is going like this. The curve is going like this. Average curve will come like this. Average model. So up or below na? Up only. So it's a good model. But not that much good. But okay model. Okay model. That's all. See? Easy ma data science. Pen no book only. Pen ले लो, book ले लो, आ जाएगा. चलो ma, thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. See you tomorrow. Right?
నేను వీడియో చూసినా సార్ కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ లైట్ గా మీరు చెప్పినారు కదా సార్ అక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే దాని
Bro, linear